Hello everyone, hope you are fit and fine. I am also doing great. Today I came back in front of you to practice speaking because speaking is very important, and this is the great way to improve your speaking by making videos, because you can take some topic which is very easy and you can talk about them, like your daily routine, your goal, what kind of activities you do in every day. This type of thing you can share in your audience, with your audience in front of camera. Day by day I am reducing my shyness to improve my English speaking, and I'm trying to go out to speak English with loudly with my friends. And because whenever you will go outside to practice speaking in front of public, it will reduce your all kind of shyness. So that's why I always try to practice speaking in front of everyone. And some teachers told that you can visit some place and you can explain about the place. It is also improve your fluency. So I will be doing this type of things for my learn English, because if you don't do this, you cannot be able to fluent speaker. Okay.